Welcome. In front of me is a Nubia Red Magic 7, and today I'll show you how we can put this phone into safe mode. So to get started with this, all you need to do is hold your power key, and when you see your three boot options right here, hold power off. This will then bring up a window reboot to safe mode, which you want to confirm by tapping on OK. When the device boots back up, it will then be in safe mode. Now, once the device is in safe mode, only the pre-installed applications, the one that basically come with the device, will function normally. Anything that you have downloaded yourself from either the Play Store or other means will be temporarily disabled, so you won't be able to use those applications whatsoever. And also those applications won't be able to start on their own either. And the reason for this is so you can troubleshoot your phone from there. Now once you're done troubleshooting it, all you will do is basically reboot it again to go back to the normal mode. As you can see, we are now in safe mode, which you can see right here. So like I mentioned before, to leave this mode, simply hold the power key, and from there select restart. Once the device boots back up, it goes back to normal mode. So anyway, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.